Let's create these beautiful solar lights. You can find these gems at the dollar store. I got some glass ones and some plastic ones. I also picked up these solar lights with the glass ball. These were only $1.25. Start by removing the stickers and the tab from each light. Be sure to test your solar lights at the store. Unfortunately, I didn't do that. I'm testing them now, and I managed to get two that didn't work. Separate the top from the bottom. I had to test these out to make sure that I could separate them in the store. I started with the blue glass gems. I thought these were really pretty. This is a great project to do with the kids. You can let them pick a color that they like. And you can get gems from anywhere like the craft store, but I was already in the dollar store and this was really inexpensive. While filling yours to the top, just make sure you leave enough room for the solar light and the solar panel inside of the unit. Next, I tried these plastic diamonds. Now, I don't know how plastic is going to work out, but I'm willing to try it for the first time. These are glass gems, and as you can see, they're not as white as the plastic ones. For the final ones, I'm going to mix 2 or 3 types of gems together just to see how they turn out. Wow, these are beautiful. Using a rubber mallet, tap the spike into the ground and set up your solar light. Let's see how they look at night. And here's the light with the plastic diamonds, my new favorite.